can't believe I did this. I'm still looking at this eye like I created this. I redid this. How am I going to do this on this other eye?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you.
Hey, what's good, y'all? Listen, as you can see, I always say that too. Listen, because I want y'all to listen. Listen to me. Pay attention, right? I am coming to you today with a look from none other than Candy Ladies Cosmetics, as you saw from the thumbnail. I'm going to do this sweet treat candy cane look. If this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified when new videos go up. If you are not new to my channel, as always, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm gonna work on that. Let's get to this tutorial. Okay, so in the non-traditional way, I went in first. What did I do? What the hell did I do? I drew a blank. That's what I did first. I drew a blank. I did go in with my white NYX liner, and I created my upside down candy cane first. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna create this upside down candy cane. Do the best you can. That's probably not good for somebody who's trying to teach. I'm so sorry. Make sure you follow every step that I am doing to the T so that you can achieve this look. No, I'm just being real. Everybody's eye shape is different. So when you do your brows, you want to make sure you have enough eye space here for this look. Person with very small eyes, it might be kind of hard to achieve this, or your candy cane may be very, very small. I'm just keeping it real. Now, watch me as I feel very pressured under the camera. Okay. I'm trying to make sure that they look almost the same. Okay, now that I have that in place, and I am going to take the Morphe E35 brush, and I'm going to go in with the white here over it to set it. Then to go on top of that, I'm taking my e.l.f. HD powder, and I'm going to go and set it again, just to make sure it doesn't move, because my other side, it moved a little bit. It started to crease on me.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And I don't want no creases. I want a nice white candy cane. Oh. That next, I'm going to remove some of the excess powder off with this brush here. Then I'm going to take the P. Louise red base, and I'm going to put it in the back of my hand. And this little brush, this was like a paint brush, and it's real stiff, so it's kind of hard, and that's why I'm using it. And this is what I'm going to draw my candy cane lines with. I don't know if you guys can see, there are some spaces in between. So I'm going to take the color Candy Apple from my Candy Lady Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to fill those spaces in. Okay, I'm going to use the P. Louise base to cut the crease. And I'm going to use just a regular old Ulta brush. But I'm going to use the one that is like, as you can see, is V-shaped here. Not the tip. I used the typical flat brush the last time, and it went over where I wanted it to go. So this time I'm trying to use something different. See if I can get this exactamundo. No overages. Want this perfect. All right. Now that I have cut my crease, next I'm going to take my packing brush, my E55. This is actually a shading brush, but I like the way the bristles work. So I'm going to take the color Lemon Lime. This that pretty green. Okay, it's pretty green. See it? I know you see it. I know you see it. The perfect Christmas green. Okay, I'm going to pack that right on top. And look at how I'm playing eye footsie with you all and messed up my cut crease. So don't do that. Child, y'all know y'all wrong for not letting me know I ain't had no lip gloss on. These old chap lips of mine. Looking like a whole bag of Cheetos Crunch out here. Taking my Morphe 250-0 brush, right? And I'm going to use that with the L'Oreal, this gold L'Oreal liquid shadow. Take it and put it on the back of my hand. And I am going to make that gold line you see on this eye. One of my eyes, that eye. Yeah. Child, honey, wish me luck. I'm gonna start in the middle so that it's not so thick in the front of the eye. But I prime my eye with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm getting ready to use just regular glitter. That's the eyes. La 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 la. Look how this eye look turned out. I can say that I'm surprised. I shocked myself. Like, what in the world? Okay. I had to bring you in closer so you could actually see it. Can you see? Do you see what I see? I'm telling you, bro. Let me back up so y'all can get the whole feng shui of this Christmas look. This is the full feng shui of the Christmas look. I threw on my ugly sweater and then my ho 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 Merry Christmas hat to bring the look together. And yeah, I like it. It goes along with my little nails. Look at that. I think the whole thing came together. Like the candy for Candy Lady Cosmetics. Y'all gotta definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Again, like I said, I shocked myself, okay? But anywho, Thank y'all for watching my video. As always, I appreciate it. And y'all come back now. You hear? All right. Peace.
Like.